Hello everyone, today we are going to see about in fluid dynamics, quick flow. The so-called quick flow is the flow between two parallel flat plates. The flow is between the two parallel flat plates. One is at rest, the rest is denoted as this neck, and the another is moving with the velocity u that is parallel to the fixed plates. So both are parallel and the two arbitrary constants can now be determined from the boundary condition. According to the boundary condition, if y equal to 0 means the velocity will be 0, and if y equal to h means the velocity will be capital U. So we already know the form of U. U equal to 1 by mu dp by dx y square by 2 plus ay plus b. So substitute first y equal to 0, e equal to 0 means we get b equal to 0. So if we substitute y equal to 0 and u equal to 0 means we get b equal to 0, and then substitute y equal to h, u equal to capital U means we get instead of u capital U plus 1 by mu dp by dx h square by 2 plus ah where b equal to 0, and if we need a value means ah equal to u minus 1 by mu dp by dx h square by 2, and a equal to u by h minus 1 by mu 1 by h dp by dx h square by 2. Substitute the second equation in the, which means substitute a b value in the first equation, means we get u equal to 1 by mu dp by dx y square by 2. Instead of a we have to substitute u by h minus 1 by mu 1 by h dp by dx h square by 2 y. So multiply y inside means we get u by h y minus 1 by mu 1 by h dp by dx h square by 2 into y, where if we take this as a first term u by h y minus of this term u into sorry, here we have to multiply and divide by h square, and if we take h square 2 mu dp by dx y by x, y by h common means we get minus of this term, minus of all this if we take means we get 1 minus y by h. So multiply and divide by u, then we get the form of take this u as denominator, u by capital U equal to y by h, and plus alpha of y by h 1 minus y by h, which means where alpha here denoted as h square divided by 2 mu u minus dp by dx. This is the alpha term, this is the non-dimensional pressure gradient, and for this we have to find the average velocity and minimum and maximum velocity. So average velocity equal to 1 by h 0 to h u dy, 1 by h 0 to h, instead of u we have to put um, instead of u we have to put u y by h plus alpha u y by h 1 minus y by h. So dy, we have to integrate means take the u as common, and if we integrate means we get before that we have to multiply y by h into inside, so y by h minus y square by h square, and if we integrate means y square by 2h plus alpha into y square by 2h minus y cube by 3h square, 0 to h. If we substitute the upper limit minus lower limit means we get h square by 2h plus alpha into h square by 2h minus h cube divided by 3h square. So then if we cancel out the terms means we get u by h into h by 2 plus alpha into h by 2 minus h by 3. So if we take h as common means both are getting cancelled, and the left is 1 by 2 plus alpha into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So cross multiply this means we get u into 1 by 2 alpha 3 minus 2 1 by 6. So u average equal to capital U of 1 by 2 alpha 1 by 6. So the volumetric flow rate is h into u average, and h instead of u average we have to substitute u 1 by 2 alpha 1 by 6. This is the average velocity of average velocity, and minimum and maximum velocity is nothing but take the u value. We already know that u by h y plus alpha u y by h 1 minus y by h. So if we multiply y by h inside means we get this term. And for finding the minimum velocity, we have to differentiate with respect to y. So u by h plus alpha u of differentiate with respect to y means we get 1 by h minus 2y by h square. We know that du by dy equal to 0, and if we substitute means this term will be 0 and the right hand side as it is, and take this u by h to left hand side means we get minus u by h. So u getting cancelled. If we take minus from here means both minus are getting cancelled, and alpha goes to denominator, and what we do means take 1 by h as common in this term means 2y by h minus 1 equal to 1 by alpha h are getting cancelled, and 2y by h equal to 1 by alpha plus 1, and we have to find y by h equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2. So if alpha value equal to 1 means, which means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 2 by 2, that is 1. This is the maximum velocity, and alpha value is minus 1 means y by h equal to 0, and it will be minimum velocity. So the maximum velocity and minimum velocity is depends on the alpha value. Hope you all understand, and thank you.